Hello friends, this is Chetan Parmar and today I am going to discuss about Java introduction. Now from this video series I introduce a new subject Java. So first we will discuss what is Java, about Java introduction, what is the features of Java, what are the requirements for Java to run application and program in your system, etc. Okay, so now let's see what is Java. So first introduction about Java. Java is a highly programming language originally developed by Sun Microsystems and released in 1995. So we can say that it is a Sun Microsystems product which was released in 1995. Okay. Second, Java runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and various versions of Unix. So we can say that it is a very platform independent language. So you can develop a Java program in any platform. If you are very expert in Windows, you can do in Windows. If you are unique expert in Unix, so you can develop in Unix. That is not an issue. Then it promises to write once, run anywhere. But it is the very best features of Java. Means that you can write only one time any Java program, and that particular program you can be run anywhere, any platform. That is not an issue about any architecture or any hardware issues or software issues. Nothing is there. That's why Java is the most popular right now. Now some of the important features of Java. See, the first feature is simple. As no, it is according to Sun. Java language is a simple because of its syntax is based on C++ programming language. That means we can say that if you are familiar or if you are expertise in your C++ programming language, then Java is a very simple for you. Then second one is object oriented. Means it is organized your software as a combination of different types of object that incorporate both data and behavior also. That some of the concepts of objects are I am listing here. Not I am giving in a brief deep introduction about these all things there, because this is already discussed in a C++ also, and in future lecture we will go in a deep. So first concepts are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. So these all are the concepts or features of the OOPS, and these all features are supported by Java in form of object oriented. Okay. Now next is the platform independent. This is the very best features of the Java. You can see here in this figure. The first is known as a class file. Uh, yes, what is this class file? I'm just giving a brief introduction about that. In Java programming, whenever you first time compile your Java code, so it will be generate a dot class file. So ultimately it's known as a bytecode in Java terminology. Okay, so this is the class file of the Java program, and that class files you can be run in any platform. You can see here it's a Windows, Linux, and Mac. So this class file you can be transferred to any platform, and that platform is run perfectly without any executions errors or problem. That's why Java is a very platform independent language. Okay. So if in other terms I can say that Java is supporting a platform independent facility in form of class file or bytecode, because ultimately Java program will be converted into class file, and that class file is a common for all Windows, Linux, and Mac, not Java actual program. Okay. Okay. Now, so Java provides software based platform. We can say that this is the software based platform. Next feature is a secured. So now see how it is Java is secure. The reason Java is secure is that it's a no explicitly pointer is there here. You can heard about that pointer in a C++ programming language or a C programming language, but here not explicitly pointer is Java. So we cannot refer any memory address here. So this is the one security features. Second one is a Java program run inside a virtual machine box sandbox. We can see that. So outside that content or boxes, it will be not going on. The next one is a class loader, which is adds security by separating the package from the classes of the local file system from those that are imported from network sources also. So this is again one of the best features of this Java. Then bytecode verifier. It's check the code fragment for illegal code that can be violated access rights to an object. So illegal codes and illegal activity is not done in Java because of this bytecode verifier. Then security manager is also available there, which determines what resources a class can access, such as reading or writing to the local disk. So this is all are the security features, and through these all security features, Java is secured. Okay. Now next is the robust. Now what is the meaning of this robust? Robust means it's a strong. So how this Java is strong? So reason why Java is strong is that Java uses a strong memory management concept. Then second one is that there is automatic garbage collection in Java is also available. Then there is an exception handling and type checking mechanism is also available in Java. So these all are the features. That's why it's supporting a robust. Now what is this memory management? Memory management is means they, I'm just giving a brief introduction about that. What is this memory management? So memory management is means that whenever any functions, variables or anything object want memory, and if it is object is idle in a certain time, then its contained memory or occupied memory will be released automatically. This is the again concepts of the garbage collection also done by the memory management, and exception handling and type checking mechanism, which is also supporting in form of robust. Okay. Then next one is architecture neutral. Again, this is very important features. There is a no implementation dependent features. That means the size of primitive type is a fix. If you heard about that in C programming language, integer types contain 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 64-bit architecture. So we can say that depends upon architecture, data type size is allocated in a C programming language. If 32 to 2 bytes, if 64 bit, then it's a 4 byte. Okay, but in Java it occupied 4 bytes if it is a 32 or 64 bit, not an issue. That means it's a architecture neutral. Okay. Next is the portable. As I said earlier, we may carry the Java bytecode to any platform. Okay, it may be a Windows, Mac, or a Unix version. Next is a high performance. Java is a faster than traditional interpretation since bytecode is a close to native code. So still somewhat slower and a complicated languages. So we can say that the true interpretations features Java is going very near to a native code, and that's why its execution is a faster than as compared to C and C++ programming language. That's why it's a high performance. Then interpreted is a bytecode is a translated onto flight to native machine instruction and is not stored anywhere. It's an interpreted language is supported. The development process is a more rapid and analytic since it is a linking is an incremental and lightweight process in form of multi-threading. Okay. Then distribute. So create a distributed application in Java like RMI, the remote method invocation methods, and EJB type of application you can using Java. You can also developing these two types of features. You may also access the files by calling the method from any machine to run internet using these RMI technologies. Is a remote method invocation and EJB. Then next is a multi-threaded features. These multi-threaded features is like a separate program is executing a concurrently is Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining a multiple threads, and that multiple thread is doesn't occupy memory for each thread. It is a common occupation memory. Okay, so it's shares a common memory area. So it's not occupy that much memory which is occupied by each and every component. So that's why it's a lightweight process also. Okay, that's are import from multimedia, web application, etc. Now the tools. So these all are the features we as we discussed till now. Next is the tool for Java program and application. So in which of the tools you require if you want to do a program in a Java, or if you want to develop any application in Java. Okay, ultimately because Java is a also what can say that it's a Java is a, you can also develop program also, and you can also application also in Java. So first tool is the listed here in form of software. So first is a Linux 7.1 or Windows XP 7, 8, 9, 10, any operating system, whatever applications you have, or which of the applications you have to develop, you just have a one operating system in your system, maybe a 7, 8, 10, 7.1, Linux, anything. Next is a Java JDK, is a Java development kit, which is the actually is a bunch of program or set of files for Java. So you have these Java JDK files, and Microsoft Notepad or any other text editor for doing a Java program or writing a Java program in these notepads. Okay, so we can say that you have these three things in your system: any OS, Java JDK program, and Microsoft Notepad or any text editor. Okay, but the problem is that in a Microsoft Notepad or any text editor, that it is not that much supporting user friendly. Each and everything you have to be type. Okay, so there are lots of ready-made tools are also available. Java editors, it's known as the Java editors. So I'm listing here some of the popular Java editors. First one is a Notepad. You heard about Notepad plus plus also. So it's a advanced version of Notepad, or it's a third-party tools also. So you can use this also, Notepad, Notepad plus plus, or a TextPad or WordPad for developing any Java program. Second one is a NetBeans. This is the ID, Java ID, that is open source and free, so which you can be downloaded. I am just providing here link also, netbeans.org. It's official site of not NetBeans, so you can also download NetBeans ID. Then same ways Eclipse is also available, which is again this developed you ID for open source community, and you can be downloaded by eclipses.org is its official site. So this is the tree is the most popular editor, Notepad, NetBeans, and Eclipses. You can use any one of them. That's not an issue. Okay, you have to be use all and each and every. No, you can use only one thing, or you maybe use Notepad also, NetBeans also, or Eclipses also. Whatever you like. This all giving the same features and the same facility. So these are the Java popular Java editors. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, you can press a like button. You can also give me a thumb by like, so I can motivate it and also doing or creating these types of video for you also. If you like, if you can subscribe also my YouTube channel, then you can also press the bell button, so whenever I'm uploading my new video you can get notifications of that. Okay, if you have any doubt or any comment or any feedback, you can be give your comment at below comment box also. Okay, which is very necessary for me, so it will be motivating also to me. So once again, thank you so much and have a good day.